No one knows their final moment, but science has seen what happens when a human dies. And it's nothing like you imagine. The moment your heart stops, your brain does not stop. For 10 full seconds, your mind is still awake, trapped inside a silent body. Your vision collapses into a tunnel, your hearing fades, your sense of self detaches. Most people describe this moment as an impossible calm, like the mind is protecting you from fear. But then something stranger happens. At 30 seconds, the brain begins a final electrical storm, a burst of gamma waves stronger than anything in life. This is when people say they see bright light, a tunnel their entire life replaying, or even themselves floating above the room. These are not hallucinations. They are real, measurable brain events. After 2 minutes, your conscious mind begins to fade, but the brain still refuses to die. Cells fire for 5 minutes, some for 30 minutes. In rare cases, scientists recorded brain activity long after the heart stopped. And here is the mystery. In dozens of hospitals, patients described the same things. Details in the room, conversations they shouldn't have heard, and sights they shouldn't have seen. How can a dead brain remember anything? No one has an answer. Some scientists say consciousness collapses into a final dream, a dream where time stretches, and 10 seconds can feel like eternity. Others believe consciousness might not die with the brain at all, that death may be a doorway, not an ending. We know what happens to the body. We know what happens to the brain. But what happens to you, the voice inside your mind, is still the one question science cannot kill. And maybe that's the real reason death feels so terrifying. Because the only thing we know for certain is this: when your body dies, your mind doesn't disappear instantly. It takes its time, it fights, and in that final moment, something happens that no living human can explain.